Hello, 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 hello. I'm glad you love maths. I love maths too. And I love being with all of you. So hello and welcome back to lesson 3. I can see some names that have joined us before and some names who were on the lesson earlier as well. So hello and welcome back today. And hello and welcome back this week to those people. And hello to some new names as well. So well done. So somebody in the chat has said that you played a demo game. It was called Fantastkid, the mailroom. And Fantastkid is available on the app stores for free for you to download. And you're a perfect age group to play. The app is aimed at year 4, but year 3 can play easily. And year 5 could play as well, because it gets a bit easier and it gets a bit harder. So it'll be great for all of you. So welcome back. Hello. Nice to see you all. If you joined earlier, you would have met my little friend. This is an English Bull Terrier. This is Rexy, and Rexy's going to join us today. So he's just saying hello. He's come to learn some maths today as well. So hello, hello, hello. So welcome. It's nice to see you. So while people are signing up, I have got some maths equations to share with you. There we are. Rexy's having a little look as well. So these maths equations are here for you to have a look at, just checking that you can see all of them. They just need a little bit of moving around, I think, so that you can see everything. Yeah, so what is wrong with these equations? While we are waiting for everybody else to join us, what is wrong with these equations? What is wrong with them? Can you have a little look and see what is wrong with these equations? There is something wrong with all of them. Something is wrong with all of them. So can you have a little look and see what is wrong with them? What is wrong with those equations? So you have a workout of those while we are waiting for other people who might not have been here on time, who might have had a few little issues logging on, whose internet may be lagging. What is wrong with those equations? You work them out for me. Yeah, you work them out for me. Now, Rexy, keep your hands away. Let them be able to see. Oh, you're just moving it so everybody can see. Okay, good. There we are. What is wrong with those equations? What is wrong with those equations? What is wrong with them? Hello, people who've just joined us. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I can see answers coming in. I can see answers coming in. Some people are on the second one. Yeah, so have a little look at all of them. That's it, Rexy. You show them what is wrong with these equations. That's it. All around, have a look at all of them. That's it. Yep. So I can see we're doing hello, hello, welcome, welcome. So some people who've just joined us. Hello, hello. So do try and have a little look at what's wrong with them. That's right. If you take 71 from 777, it does not equal 776. You're quite right. You're quite right. Let's have some answers then. Okay. So we will go through these. I'm just going to give a few little minutes more to just work your way through these. Yes, that's it. You help everybody remember what they've got to do, Rexy. Okay, don't move it, honey. And then that's it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. What is wrong with these equations? Yep. Just have a little look and see what you think. What is wrong with them? Yeah, so I'm going to give you 1 more minute and then we're going to do these together. So I hope you've got a little work desk at home. If you haven't got a desk of your own, I know quite often we're working on the dining room table, or you might just have a little corner of the living room that you can work in. But maybe you can keep all of your things in a box. If you don't have much room at home, if you haven't got a box, maybe when your grown-ups go to the supermarket, they could get a cardboard box and you could keep your things in it all together. Yeah. So some pencil and paper and put the date. Remember what we did in each lesson. So lots of you are on school holidays at the moment, but we are not going to stop. We're going to carry on. So let us come up and do these equations together. And then you can check on your paper which one you got correct. Okay, you can check on your paper which ones you got correct. So let's have a little look at them. Yeah, 771. The last lesson I made a little bit of an error and you did tell me and I didn't pick it up. So we did put it in the chat afterwards. So I'm very sorry. Well done for those people who spotted it. Do keep telling me. I've got a lot of things to think about here. So sometimes my mind goes on to the next thing. But sometimes I put things up just to check that you are listening and that your brains are awake. Now, it's been lovely spending time with you. And I can really see that I'm getting to know lots of children and lots of learners in our class. So if you are enjoying them, and I hope you are, because that's why you're coming back, and it's great that quite a few of you have said we came into your schools with a demo game, so we've already met in person. So can you please make sure that you tell your friends? If each of you could tell 2 people, that would be brilliant, because we do need to keep the numbers up to carry on going, because it takes a lot of time and effort to do it. So we need to get some numbers up. So do you think you could all get 2 people? Could everybody try and get 2 of their friends, their classmates to come, their family, their cousins, the neighbors' children to join us? Give me a thumbs up if you think you can all get at least 2 people. And maybe next time, oh, thank you. Next time when we join, I can say to you, how many people did you bring to the lesson today? Yeah, so if you can all really try, thank you. That's so kind. I can see lots of you really supportively saying, yes, yes, okay, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that. So let's look at this. 771 take away 71. So if we took away that 71, what would it leave us with? What would it leave us? We took away that 71. It would not give us, I just want to check, I've got a whiteboard pen. It would not give us 776. It would give us 700. That's what we would get. That is wrong. That is right. So make sure you mark your work to check that you got it correctly. The next one, if we have 1,000 and we take 1 away, well, we can't end up with 1,099 because we would have had to have added 99 to that to get that number. So that is wrong. If we take 1,000 away, if we take 1 away from 1,000, then we have 1 less, which is 999, which is 999. Okay. So if we have 335 and we add another 35, well, let's use our doubles. Double 35 is 70, isn't it? Double 40 is 80, so double 35 is 70. So we are not going to get 360. We will get 370. Okay. 410 plus 590. Bonds, bonds, bonds. 400 and 500 is 900. 10 and 90 makes another 100. So we only have 1,000. We don't have 1,100. We don't have 1,100. We only have 1,000. And at the last one, 270 plus 130. Well, I add my hundreds together. 200 and 100 gives me 300. Oh, but I've got the 70 and the 30, which is another 100. So no, I actually have 400. So just double check that you got those correct. Double bubble bubble check, double bubble bubble check. So the answer to the first one was 700, then 999, 370, 1000, and 400. So double bubble check. So we are going to look at place value. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you got all of them correct. Did you get all of them correct? 4 out of 5. Okay, 4 out of 5. So a few little mistakes. One little mistake some people made. Yeah, 4 out of 5 is fantastic. It's 80% out of 100. Yeah, it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. So well done. We are going to look at place value, and we're going to look at place value up to 4 digits. So we're going to start off, as we usually do, with some concrete things, some real things, just to check understanding. And then we're going to go on to some pictorial representations, and then we'll go on to the abstract afterwards. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. So we're going to take ourselves through some examples, and then I'm going to give you some little problems to do at the end. Okay? Thank you very much. Lots of thumbs up. So let us look, first of all, at some concrete. Now, when we are counting, I've got some straws here to help me. When we are counting, we can count in 2s, 5s, 10s, but actually counting in 10s and 100s and 1000s for big numbers makes it much more manageable. So I am just going to remove this and get ready to show you. And I'm going to actually take this away because you'll be able to see clearer if it's not a white board. Okay, I'm going to drop you down. Okay. I'm going to just drop you down so you can see my board here. So when we have got big numbers, lots of numbers, we want to organize ourselves. So I've organized my straws into bundles of 10. There's some ones over there, and I've got bundles of 10. So it just makes it easier to count. Okay, so I've made them into bundles of 10, and then very easily I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I have 100 straws. So I'm going to use my straws, and I'm going to put out my straws, and I'm going to ask you to show me what number that is. Okay, so I'm going to take some straws away, and I'm going to ask you to show me what number you can see there. Okay, how many 10s, how many 1s? Show me number. Show me the number that you can see. Show me the number that you can see. Okay, well done. Answers are coming in. Excellent. Well done. Okay, excellent, excellent, excellent. So we have 8 10s and 3 1s. So the number is 83. 8 10s and 3 1s. Number is 83. Okay, so looking closely, I'm going to add another 10, and I'm adding 2 more 1s. So show me the number now, please. Show me the number now. Show me the number now. What can you see now? Okay, what number can you see now? Number in. Numbers are beginning to come in. Okay, so we have got, well done, 9 10s and 5 1s, 95. So we have got 9 10s and 5 1s. So the number, well done. So when I want to count even bigger numbers, I can bundle 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I can bundle 10 10s up into a bundle of 100. Okay, so I can bundle my 10 10s into a bundle of 100. So what number am I showing there? 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 Okay, well done. Answers coming in. Quick off the mark. Fantastic. Is that correct to say that then? Have I shown the number in digits now? What do I need to add? Okay, I can see some people are lagging. That's okay. The lesson will just come to you later. That's fine. What do I need to add? I need to add some digits to make that number correct, to make that number correct, what do I need to add? Okay, that's not correct. That's showing one bundle of 100, but it's not showing that number correctly in digits. So what do I need to add? It's not a 9 and a 9, otherwise that would be 199. But the children who said you need to add these are correct. 2 placeholders, 2 zeros as placeholders. So that is showing 100. So let's have a look. What this showing? Oh, let's have a little look what we've got here. What number can we see now? 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 I know some people have said they're lagging, but it doesn't matter. You'll just get the lesson later. Just because people counting carefully, got their brains awake. So we have got 200, 5 ones. 205. Done for those children who could see that we have 205. Let's just do one more. Let's just do one more. Ooh, not much room on here for these big numbers. Okay, let's just check. You can see all of those. Okay, little sneaky one in there. You stop going at an angle, you. Okay, big brains, wakey, wakey. What number are we seeing now? Just move everything else out of the way. What number are you seeing now? What number are you seeing now? What number are you seeing now? Numbers are coming in. Well done, well done, well done. Numbers are coming in. Okay, count carefully. How many hundreds do we have? How many tens? How many ones? Well, the quick thinkers are coming in really quickly. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Oh, the lagging, I think, is sorting itself out. So we've got 3 hundreds. We have got 2 tens. And we have no ones. So 320. 320. Okay, so let's look at a different way of showing these numbers, a picture way. Now, I'm sure you have all seen a place value grid. I'm sure you have all seen a place value grid. So let me just put that down there. Okay. So I'm going to put some counters in here. I've got the counters over here. I'm just going to lean across and get them. Can you hear them jingling as I pick them up? So I've got some counters over here, and I am going to put some counters on. And I want you to tell me what number is being shown. So this is using a place value grid. Okay. So I am going to put some counters in the place value grid, and you tell me what number is being shown. What number is being shown? Okay, what number do we have here? What number do we have here? That's nothing piled underneath there. So let's have a little look. What number do we have here? What number is being shown? Oh, well done. Well done. Answers coming in quickly, 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 quickly. And, you know, some people's internet connection is lagging. So I do know that it's not because you might be struggling for some people. It's because your internet is lagging. So we have got 4,000s. We have got 200s. We have got 2 tens. And we have got 2 ones. So the number is 4,222. So well done to those people who got 4,222. Give yourself a pat on the back. So let's just do another one. Oh, let's just check your understanding. Okay. Let's have a look. What number do we have now? What number do we have now? What number do we have now? Okay, so we've got our place value chart and we've got our counters. I'll just, come on, Miss Nicole, let's tidy these up a little bit to make sure it's very clear. What number are we showing now? What number are we showing now? Okay. Well done, those of you who have got the placeholder. Remember the placeholder, 0. If we do not put the placeholder in, then it makes sure that our number is correct. So we have got 2000s, we have got 200s, we have no 10s, and we have a 1. So 2201. 2201. Well done. 2201. We're going to do one more of these and then we're going to move on to something different. Okay, let's have a look. I'll just test you on those placeholders. Let's have a look what we've got now. Let's have a look what we have got now. Okay, remember those placeholders. Remember those placeholders. Yep. Remember those placeholders. Oh, well done. Brilliant. Excellent. Excellent, 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 excellent. Yay! Rex is going to give you a cheer. Yay! Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Okay, let's have a little look then. So we have got 3000. We have no hundreds. We have 2 10s. And we have no ones. 3020. 3020. Okay. Looking at that number, I am going to add another 10. What number will I have then? I am going to add another 10. What number will I have then? If I add 1 10. If I add a 10. If I add a 10, what number will I have then? If I add a 10, I'm going to add a 10. What number will I have then? Okay, I'm going to add a 10. I want you to add a 10. What number will I have then? Add a 10. Brilliant. Oh, quick thinkers, working it out. Fantastic. That's okay. Let's add a 10. Okay. So let's have a little look. That is no longer correct. There are no longer just 2 10s in there. There are now 3 10s. So if I add a 10, I've now got 3030. Okay. I've now got 3030. Now I am want you to add 2000. I want you to add 2000 to that number. If I add 2000 to that number, what will I have then? So I've got 3030. I want you to add 2000. Can you add 2000 for me? That's right, Rexy, show them. Add 2000. What will I have then? What will I have then? What will I have then? Add in 2000. What do we come to then? Okay, so let's have a little look. I'm going to put 2000 more in. There's 1000. And there's 2000. So this is no longer correct, is it? This is no longer correct. So I now need to change that. It's no longer a 3. Now it is a 5. So now we have 5030. Okay. Now I want you to add 300s. Now I want you to 5030. I want you to add 300. To 5030, I want you to add 300. Okay, can you add 300s? That's right, Rexy. You show them. Can you add 300s? Can you add 300s? Can you add 300s? And then show me what you have then. What is 5,030 plus 300s? 5,030 plus 300s. Well, let me get those 300 coins, counters. There they are. So I'm going to put 100 in, 200 in, 300 in. That is no longer correct, is it? I do not have 0 hundreds because the hundreds column has just gone up by 3. So now I have 5,330. 5,330. Okay, so I'm going to take these off, and now I want us to think about our expanded numbers. So writing our numbers in the expanded form. So I am going to just start off with an easy one, just to get us going. Okay, so if you know about the expanded form, if you have done that before, then you can straight away do that for me and write it as an equation. Okay. If you know about the expanded form, you can do that straight away. I'm going to flip us back up to the screen now and show you how I have written, 30, this my one off, how I have written 31 in the expanded form. 31 is 30 plus 1. 31 is 30 plus 1. Okay, so now, and we can see that in our straws or in our place value chart. So I'm going to use another pictorial way of showing numbers, the part-whole model. So if I was going to write 30 in the part-whole model, keep thinking I've only got 30. If I was going to write 31, I have got 30 plus 1. So 30 in the part-whole model. So I would like you, please, Rexy, I think you've knocked my cord rubber off. Could you write for me this number in the expanded form and the part-whole form? Okay, could you write this number for me in the expanded form and the part-whole form? So let's do 54 equals something plus something. That's the expanded form. Okay, I want it to be in tens and ones. This is not a question of how many ways could you make 54. And then I want you, because we're thinking about place value. Okay, part-whole. I'm going to put one of these in. You put the missing one. So can you show me 54 as an expanded place value equation? Do this one for me first. 54 is as place value in tens and ones. Okay, in tens and ones. Yeah, in tens and ones. Expand that for me. So this one would be 50 plus 4. And the missing number here is 50. Okay, so let's go up to hundreds. Let's go up to hundreds. So again, can you expand this number into hundreds, tens, and ones? Okay, show it as an expanded equation. 274. So show me that as an expanded equation. 274. Show me as an expanded equation. Show me as an expanded equation. Show me as an expanded equation. Okay. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Numbers and answers are coming in. Numbers and answers are coming in. So we have got 274. 274. Okay, can you, I'm not going to put the boxes this time. Can you show me that as an expanded equation? 4,624. 4,624. Can you show me that as an expanded equation, please? Can you show me that as an expanded equation? 4,624. 4,624. Okay. 4,624. Oh, somebody's missed out the 600. 4,600. Let me just make sure you can see that that's a 600. So that's a 6. Okay. So we've got 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 4. Okay. So time has run away with us, and I just want you to have a little brain teaser before we go. I want you to look. I'm going to drop the camera down, and I'm going to ask you to look at these sequences. I'm going to block them off so you can't see them all together because it's too many to do. We haven't got time to do them all. So I want you just to look at this first one. Okay. What number is missing in that sequence? Look at that sequence. What number? Correct it. What number is missing in that sequence? Okay, so you count the sequence and tell me what number is missing in that sequence. What number is missing? There's a missing number there. Where is it? Is it here, 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 or here? What number is missing? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Where is the missing number on that sequence? Where is the missing number on that sequence? Well done, well done. I can see answers coming in. I can see answers coming in. Well done. Excellent, excellent. Okay, some people put the end number as well. That's fine. But you are absolutely correct. Can you see that number is missing? It goes straight from 3,043 to 3,045. That's not correct, is it? We've got a missing number there. We have got a missing number there. So let's have a look at another one. I'm going to move it up to the next one. Can you see the missing number in this sequence? Can you see the missing number in this sequence? Can you see the missing number in this sequence? Can you see the missing number in this sequence? Okay, well done, well done. So it goes 4,999, 4,998, 4,997. Okay, 4,997. So well done. One more. Oh, let me move that. Otherwise, you may think that is okay. One more. Can you see that one? What is the missing number in this one? What is the missing number in this last one? What is the missing number? Oh, well done. Some people got it straight away. Brains are awake and active. Well done. Solving problems. Yay! Yay! What is the missing number? Okay, missing number 9,998. 9,999. Then it jumps to 10,000. Then it jumps to 10,000. So well done. Okay, Chickaloolers, our time is up. Rexy's waving goodbye. Oh, and he's also attacking my microphone cable. Bye-bye from Rexy. Your lesson is not over. Can you please remember to do your quiz? I put a quiz up that looks at place value, sequencing numbers, and asks you to expand some numbers. And also I put a dot to dot up there. But dot to dot, it goes up to big numbers. Okay, so it's partly to check your counting and to give you practice, but it's also like a focus activity to really help you to focus. Good picture. Afterwards, you can have, you can color it in. I would love it if you could send me a photograph. If you could get your grown-ups to attach a photograph of your dot to dot colored in, then I can show them on Thursday. On Thursday, we're going to do rounding up and less than and greater than, more than, greater than, less than. So please come and join me. Remember the favor I asked you at the beginning. Please, can you get at least 2 people to come and join us, because we're doing really well on our numbers, but we have to have big numbers. It takes a lot of time and effort to do these lessons, and we need big numbers to make it worthwhile. So can you please, if every one of you can get 2 more people to join, that would be brilliant. Thank you very much for your support. Okay. Thank you. I will. That's brilliant. So thank you. Got a little treat for you that my daughter made. I forgot to show this on Thursday. Let me see if I can get it up. Can you see? Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. It's flashing. Well done. Well done. Well done from Bright Idea Education. So goodbye from me and goodbye from Rexy. And I will see you on Thursday, even though it's the Easter holidays. For some people, it's not for us. We will still be here. So thank you very much for joining us. It's been lovely to spend the time with you. And I will see you on Thursday. Remember, the link for the chat quiz is in the chat. The link for the quiz is in the chat. So please get the quiz. The email that will come afterwards will actually have the dot to dot on it. So if you have a printer, I know not everybody does, but if you have a printer, then please, can you print it out, color it in, get a grown-up to take a picture and email it to us, and then I can actually show that next week. Have a lovely day, have a lovely Wednesday, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye, Chickaloolus. Bye-bye.